I stress tested the 5 most talked about AI video models in the market right now, and what I found completely changed how I think about AI video creation. But before we get into the rankings, there is something most people completely skip, and it is honestly the reason why even the best AI model in the world will give you terrible results if you ignore it. Think of AI like a baby. You need to spoon feed it in a simple and easy to understand way, because the moment you make things complicated and difficult for it to process, no matter which model you use, the output is going to be terrible, and that is something nobody tells you. Take a look at this. I used 2 completely different types of prompts on the exact same image, and the difference in output is something you need to see yourself. The model you choose matters, but the way you prompt it is what actually decides whether your output looks like a professional cinematic scene or generic AI slop. So this video is not just another AI model ranking video. It is a complete guide to understanding both sides, which models actually deliver when you push them hard, and more importantly, how to correctly prompt any model to squeeze out the absolute best possible results. And to take things even further, I will be testing each model across major capabilities, emotions, camera movement, laws of physics, so you will know exactly where each model wins and where it completely falls apart. I will also give you a quick and super easy solution to automate the entire prompting process. So before we start, if you don't mind, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's go. For this video, I will be using videoinu because I can access all top models at a single place here, which will definitely save time and money. Once inside videoinu, I will head to the AI video feature, and this is exactly where we will be animating all of our scenes. Now, along the way, I will also guide you on everything you need to master AI video prompting so that you can hit that 99% accuracy mark in every single generation. First, I have this scene where 2 people are in a conflict, and I want them to have a rough argument that escalates into them grabbing each other by the collar. This scene will test AI on anger, aggression, and physical response, which are all extremely common in movies and content creation. But right from the very first step, most people make a mistake that ruins everything. Your image should always capture the moment just before the action begins, never the action itself. In our scene, the 2 characters are standing facing each other, tense but still. The conflict has not started yet, and that is exactly right. If your character is already mid-action in the image, AI has nowhere to go, and the output will be a mess. Now, I will upload this image into videoinu and test it across all 5 models, with Kling 3.0, Seedance 1.5, Van 2.6, Hailuo 2.3, and Veo 3.1. For the prompt, always remember one rule: the simpler your prompt, the better the result. Complex will give garbage output every single time. In my prompt, I explain just 3 main actions simply and clearly. They stare at each other with tension, one rises from his seat full of anger, yelling, and then both grab each other by the collar as the conflict peaks. Total 3 actions. If I had added too many actions or anything out of the box, AI would have completely fallen apart. And one more critical thing, I mentioned that the camera remains locked because without that instruction, AI would have automatically started zooming in and half the action would have gone completely out of frame. Now we have the perfect image and the perfect prompt, so let's see which model actually delivers the perfect sauce. I tested the same image and same prompt across all 5 models, and let me take you straight to the results.
You have betrayed the trust of this council! I have done no such thing! Get out! Never!
This is your own doing. Look at what you've allowed. It's not my fault. You forced my hand.
But I did. You know, being there sentence earnable.
You dare defy me, I will end you right here!
Your reign is over, old man. Release me.
Bite the pay. Vote. Fight over share.
Can anyone tell me what they were saying? Kling 3.0 was on a completely different level. Animation was accurate, dialogues were mind-blowing, and physical reaction was super realistic. It felt genuinely real. Seedance 1.5 came in as a strong second, while the remaining 3 models were honestly hallucinating. In a scene, I almost felt that both guys were gonna kiss each other. Now let's make things a bit harder. Anger and aggression done. Now let's see if AI actually understands what grief feels like, because making a model perform genuine sadness on command is a completely different challenge. I have this image of a girl standing in front of her younger sister's grave, flowers in hand. Nothing has started yet. In the animation, I want her to walk forward and place the flowers on the grave while showing genuine sadness, and then slowly sit down and break into tears. This might feel like a simple scene, but it is actually one of the hardest things to get right from AI, because it tests 3 things simultaneously: understanding the core concept, maintaining consistent emotions throughout, and executing multiple actions in a single clip without teleporting or morphing. In the prompt, I focused on 2 things only: her actions and the camera movement. Camera slowly follows her as she walks forward and places the flowers down, stays with her as she lowers to her knees with her body trembling, and then locks into a steady position as she sits and cries. That is it. Now here is something very important. I deliberately did not mention the background at all, like wind blowing or grass moving or leaves falling. Even though those details would have made the scene more cinematic, adding too many elements gives AI too many things to process at once, and it will start hallucinating and breaking down on the core action. Keep the AI focused on what actually matters in the scene and let everything else be, because we definitely can't compare a normal AI-generated scene with a real movie made by real humans and 100s of crew members. We want to make it as realistic as possible. Now let's see the result. In this scene, almost all did a good job, but Seedance made it more realistic by also adding a sad music as she cries. But VEO3 totally failed in this task because it was not even generating the results, which can be disappointing because it was just a normal scene, but still, VEO3 failed at generating it. Emotions were interesting, but now I want to push these models into something where there is real-world physics involved, because this is where things get genuinely unpredictable. For this last scene, I have a bike rider charging across a deadly old wooden bridge, and the prompt I used for this kept the focus on 3 things only: the rider, the camera, and the bridge. What I want in the scene is very simple. I want the biker to rush forward with full speed, and in reaction of it, I want the bridge to tremble, especially the ropes and the wooden area, as it is very old. And because AI starts creating its own concept, so to avoid that, I mentioned that as the rider moves forward, he starts getting close to the other end of the bridge, so there isn't a loop for AI to hallucinate and mess up the ending. Let's generate and see what each model delivers. Now for this scene, I want you to drop in the comments which AI model did the best animation in your opinion, and also tell me who you think is the overall winner of this entire stress test. And now let me give you something very valuable. I have put together a master prompt that will completely automate your video prompting process. Once you provide this prompt to any AI chatbot, it will be fully trained on everything that makes a great animation prompt, the right way to describe actions, how to handle camera movement, what to avoid, and how to keep things simple enough for AI to actually understand. After that, all you need to do is describe your scene in plain words, and it will write you a perfect animation prompt every single time that gives you the most accurate results possible. This prompt is available in a Google document, and I have added the link to the Google document in the description of this video. Remember, the right model matters, but the right prompt matters more. You have both now. Rest is on you. Until next time.